Okay, this video is to review the first way using image blending through your blending options. So first, open up two images. The easiest way to do this is to do two images that are the same size. So I am going to use this one and this one. All right, now I'm going to go in first and change the image size. Image size. It says 79 by 59. I'm going to change my width to 8, and I'm going to change my resolution to 300. And I'm going to do the same thing to this one. I'm going to do 8 and then resolution 300. Okay. Now, Command 0 to fit to screen. And remember, if you don't see your layers palette or you don't see your tools bar, go up to Window and make sure you click on it so that they are available to you on your screen. All right, so I'm going to use this one as my background, and I'm going to use this kind of grainy city one as my foreground. So I'm going to copy this black and white image and paste it onto this one. Now, I would try and edit your images beforehand, because if you have any kind of levels or black and white adjustment layers, if you try and copy and paste that on, it's going to copy and paste your levels and not your photo. So remember, if you've done your editing, make sure you go to where it says layer and you can flatten your image, because you want to move over the entire image, not the adjustment layer. So I'm going to go Command A in order to select the entire image, Command C to copy, and then I'm going to click onto my image and go Command V in order to paste. If you take a look over at your layers palette, you can see layer 1 on top of your background, and there are 3 different ways that you can kind of blend this. You can go to where it says opacity, and when something is 100% opaque, it means that you're not able to see through it, right? So now it's 32% opacity, so it's starting to get transparent until it's 0 and you can't see it at all. So the other option is to do fill, which works similarly. And then the one that I like the most is right where it says normal. These are your blending options. It's how your foreground blends with your background. You can go through and choose an image or a blend that you like the most. So I'm going to go in and let's see, I'll do this hard light. And you can even incorporate the image blend along with the opacity change, okay? When you're finished, if you like what it looks like, you're going to export by File, Export, Export As. Make sure that when you press Export, when your pop-up appears, you change the name. And put it in your folder. If you want to save this, if you're still working on your layers, you can save it as a Photoshop file. So same thing, make sure, and it's a PSD, and make sure you put that again in your folder. Photoshop files will allow you to save the layers and the information so that you can go back to it and you can rework it and then save it when you like it. That's the first way to do an image blend.